Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my Tecno Pouvoir 4 case collection. But before we get started, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and also press that little bell icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And now let's get started. So the first case that I'm going to show you is actually the one that came with the phone. It is this little clear one. It's very nice. It's clear and TPU gel, which is good, and it's actually really protective on the phone as well. It has these little flaps on the bottom for the charging port and the headphone slot. So yeah, it will protect them from dust and stuff. So that's really nice. It has Tecno Mobile written over there, and also it's sponsored by Manchester City, the phone is. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's also clear on the side and on the other side as well. So really nice. I love it. By the way, if you want to see my unboxing video, because I recently bought this phone, I will have it linked down below in the description. So yeah, that's the case that came with it. The next three that I'm going to show you are all the same design but different colours. They are these cute little silicone jelly Minnie Mouse cases. They're very cute. I love these. I also bought these for my Infinix Note 7, so if you want to see that video too, I will be recording that soon. So yeah, because I got some new cases for that. I have recorded it previously, but I've got a new one, so obviously I'll do an updated one if you want. So just comment down below if you want an updated on my Infinix Note 7 cases as well. So yeah, this is the 3 silicone Minnie Mouse cases. They're very cute. They are from Daraz. I'll have the price on the screen somewhere. So yeah, they're really cute, and they're actually very protective as well. They're a bit risen on the edges as well, which is really nice. So yeah, I love them. Super cute. So I got all 3 colours. These are the 3 colours that I'm available. They have these cases for so many phones. So yeah, cute. I love those. The next 2 that I'm going to show you are rimless cases. So they are the ones without the sides. They're still really cute. They're hard plastic, so yeah, that's nice. And I like these. They don't have the edges, so they're more stylish, but they're not very protective, obviously. So yeah, got those, one in black and one in blue. These are also from Daraz. I'll also have the prices on the screen somewhere. So yeah, these are nice. That's what they look like. Again, hard plastic. So yeah, that's them. The next 2 cases that I got are the same design but different colour. One is black obviously and one is red, but for some reason it looks quite pink on camera, which is actually red though. So yeah, these are really nice. They are the TPU gel cases. Very nice material, very good quality. I love these. As you can probably see, I'm not sure if you can see, they are a bit texturized in the middle, which is really nice. It has a really nice in-hand feel, and they're really nicely fit the phone as well. So yeah, I like those. That's what they look like. These are also from Daraz. Again, I'll have the prices on the screen. So yeah, I really like these. They are 2 of my favorite cases because of the quality and the I like the way they look on the phone as well. So yeah, I love these. That's that. The last one I got is also one of my favorite. Is this obviously fake Champion case. Again, like the other ones that I just showed you, it has a nice material, and it really looks nice on the phone as well, and it has a really good in-hand feel. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's brown goldeny case colour. It's really nice. Yeah, and it's Champion, I love it. This is also from Daraz. This is what it looks like from the inside. Just this plasticky material inside, which is really nice. And same as the other one, these are very protective as well, so yeah, I love them. So yeah, that's all my cases. Now I'm gonna put them on the phone and show you what they look like. That was the end of my video. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below which one of these cases is your favourite, and also let me know if you have any of these cases too. I'd really like to know. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.